Ever had a warning light pop up out of nowhere? Power windows acting weird? Transmission shifting rough? Engine feeling sluggish for no clear reason? Most people panic and head straight to a repair shop. But here's the thing, a lot of modern car issues aren't broken parts at all. They're software confusion, sensor mix-ups or calibration drift, and many can be fixed with a simple reset. Here are 9 DIY reset tricks mechanics use all the time. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. Method: ECU reset. Your engine control unit constantly adjusts fuel delivery, timing, and idle based on sensor data and your driving habits. Bad sensor readings or fuel quality can throw this off, causing rough idling or poor mileage. How to do it: disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 15 minutes, tap the brakes or headlights to drain leftover power, reconnect, then let the engine idle 5-10 minutes without touching the gas. Follow with a mixed city highway drive. Method 2. Throttle body reset. A sluggish gas pedal often means your throttle body needs recalibration, especially common on higher mileage vehicles. How to do it: key to on, don't start, press the gas pedal to the floor and hold 10-15 seconds, turn key off, release pedal, wait 2 minutes before starting normally. Method 3. Infotainment reboot. Frozen screens and Bluetooth glitches are common in complex infotainment systems. A hard reboot usually clears it. Honda Acura. Hold the power knob 10 seconds until a reboot prompt appears. Ford, hold volume down and seek forward on the steering wheel for 5 to 8 seconds. Method 4. Check engine light reset. Many check engine triggers are minor. Loose gas caps, temporary faults. The light can stay on even after a fix because the ECU hasn't confirmed it over several drive cycles yet. How to do it: plug in an OBD2 scanner, key to on, read and clear codes, turn off ignition 30 seconds, restart, then drive through a few cycles. No scanner? Disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes can clear some codes too. Method 5. Transmission adaptive reset. Used cars or new driving habits can confuse your transmission's learned shift points. How to do it: key to on, engine off. Press the gas fully down and hold 30 seconds, then turn the key off while still holding the pedal. Release slowly, then sit still. No doors, radio, or buttons for 5 minutes. Over the next 50 miles, the transmission relearns your driving style. Method 6. Idle air control reset. Carbon buildup or battery disconnects can destabilize your idle, causing shaking or stalling. How to do it: turn off AC lights and infotainment. Disconnect the battery 15-20 minutes. Reconnect, start without touching the gas and idle 10-15 minutes. Gradually turn accessories back on, then take a short drive with frequent stops. Method 7. TPMS reset. Cold weather alone can trigger tire pressure warnings. Pressure shifts about 1 psi per 10-degree hours change. How to do it: after correcting tire pressure, key to on, engine off. Find the TPMS reset button, often in the glove box, under steering trim, or in the settings menu. Hold 3 to 5 seconds until the light blinks. Then drive above 20 mph for 10 minutes. Method 8. Climate control relearn. HVAC blend doors can lose track of their position, causing wrong airflow or temperature. How to do it: start the engine, run max cold for 2 minutes, then max heat for 2 minutes, cycling through all vent modes, then switch back to your normal settings. Method 9. Mass airflow sensor reset. Dirt or residue on this sensor throws off fuel calculations, hurting mileage and performance. How to do it: clean the sensor, let it dry fully, disconnect the battery 15 minutes, reconnect, idle 5 to 10 minutes without touching the gas, then drive at 40-60 km/h for 10-15 minutes to let the ECU relearn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching, drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.